I am fond of books. I try very hard not to take too many home. I don't buy as many as I used to. I don't, honestly. Can you see how doubtful this is? I've been volunteering for 26 years now. No, I suppose the original idea was it was a job worth doing. And I thought it might be interesting. But I get bored easily. I don't get bored here. I think it appeals to everything. I like it as a place. I like the history side of it. I like the people I meet here. What is there not to like? Oh, the role of women has changed beyond all recognition. It's a different world. We've gained in the opportunities that we have. I would have loved to have gone for journalism. Journalism for women was not on. It just wasn't a thing that... I mean, if I'd said to my father, I'd like to be a journalist, oh, you can't do that. There were 3 jobs open to educated women. You could be a school teacher, you could be a nurse, or you could be a secretary. The opportunities for women are out of this world compared with what they were. I find it difficult to give advice to anybody at any time. Come to think of it, that doesn't ring true because I'm always giving advice. Have confidence in yourself. I had opportunities that I didn't take because I hadn't the confidence. Make up your own mind what you want. If it's really important, try and stick to it. Just because the job is easy, don't think you needn't work. That's not advice that I've taken for myself. Not really. But I think it's good advice.